Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find apps. Now let's tap on more icon, and as you can see here we've got the option reset app preferences. Here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset. And actually this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.